Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 10 decimal fractions. So let's discuss homework answers first. First question in that D 0.014. Okay. Now E it is 0.005. F it is 0.038. Now second question in that F 16 and 27 hundredths. In fraction form it is 1627 by 100. Okay. And in decimal form it is 16.27. Third question, express the following fractions as decimal fractions. So in that first A 12 by 100. So this is given as fraction. 12 by 100 is a fraction. You need to convert this to decimal fraction. So here the denominator is 100. 100 has two zeros. So after decimal point also you need 2 digits. Okay. In the numerator there are 2 digits, so that you can write after decimal point. So 0.12. Okay, now before decimal point no whole number is there, so you can write a 0. So 0.12. Okay, this is the answer. Next 37 by 100, it will be 0.37. Okay, after decimal point 2 digits are needed since the denominator is 100. Okay, so here in the numerator only 2 digits, so that you can write after decimal point. So you will get a 0.37. Now 1 by 1000. Here 1000 has 3 zeros. So after decimal point you need 3 digits. But in the numerator only 1 digit. So in order to make it 3 digit, you can put a 0 in front. 2 zeros in front. Now you got 3 zeros. So that 3 digits, that 3 digit you can write after decimal point. So before decimal point, no whole number is there. So you can write a 0. So 0.001 is the answer. Okay. ഇവിടെ denominator 1000 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 1000 വരാൻ കാരണം ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റിന് ശേഷം 3 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് വേണം. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ 1 എന്ന് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൺലി 1 ഡിജിറ്റ്. സോ അതിന് 3 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ആക്കാൻ ബിഫോർ 1 0 2 0 നമ്മൾ എഴുതി കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 3 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് 3 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റിന് ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഴുതാം. ആൻഡ് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റിന് മുമ്പേ you can write a 0. ഒരു whole number തരാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് you can write a 0. Okay. Now 35 by 1000. Again after decimal point you need a 3 digits. So in the numerator only 2 digits. So you can write a 0 in front. Okay. So 035 you can write after decimal point. Before decimal point you can write a 0. So 0.035. Now 112 by 1000. So after decimal point you need 3 digits, and in the numerator also 3 digits are there. So that you can write after decimal point. So before decimal point write a 0. 0.112. Don't read a 112. 0.112. Now F 2176 by 100. So you can write 21 before the decimal point, because 21 is the whole number. So before decimal point you can write a 21. Now 76 by 100. So that you can write after decimal point. And in the denominator it is 100. So after decimal point 2 digits are needed. Okay. So in the numerator 2 digits are there, so that you can write after decimal point. So 21.76 is the answer. Next 112 9 by 10. So 112 is the whole number. So that you can write before decimal point. Now 9 by 10. 9 by 10 you can write after decimal point, and the denominator is 10 here. So after decimal point only one digit is needed. So 9 in the numerator only one digit, so that you can write after decimal point. So 112.9 you will get. Fourth question. Write the following as a fraction or mixed number. Give the answer in simplified form. So here decimal fractions are given. You need to convert this to fraction or mixed number. Okay. So A 0.45. This is simple. After decimal point there are two digits, and before decimal point it is 0. Okay. So this 0 you need not consider. So 4, 5. After decimal point there are two digits. So that two digit you can write in the numerator. That is 45. You can write in the numerator, and in the denominator there are two digits. So you can write 100. Okay. If there are after decimal point, if there are two digits, mean denominator will be 100. If there are three digits, mean denominator will be 1000. If there is only one digit, mean denominator will be 10. Okay. Depending on the 0, you can write. If there are two digit, means two zeros in the denominator. Three digit mean three zeros in the denominator. One digit mean 1 0 in the denominator. Okay, like that you can remember. So 45 by 100, you can simplify it. This will go in 5. So 45 division 5 it is 9, and 100 division 5 it is 20. So the answer will be 9 by 20. Okay, so 0.45 in fraction form it will be 9 by 20. Now second one 0.124. So before decimal point 0. So you need not consider this. After decimal point 124. That is 3 digits are there. So that 3 digit you can write in the numerator. 124 you can write in the numerator. In the denominator it will be 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So since in the numerator 3 digits are there, means you can write in the denominator 1000. Okay. So 124 by 1000. You can reduce this. 124 and 1000 will go in 4. So 124 by 4 it is 31, and 1000 divided by 4 it is 250. So the fraction you will get 31 by 250. So this is the fractional form of 0.124. Okay. Next is C 0.049. So before decimal point it is 0. So no need to consider that. After decimal point there are 3 digits 049. So that you can write in the numerator. 049. We will not write 049. That is 49 only we will write. Okay. 049. Actually 049 we will write. We will not put we will not write a 0 before a number. So just write 49. 49 by. Now there are 3 digits in the after decimal point. So the denominator is 1000. So 49 by 1000 is the fractional form of 0.049. Okay. Next D 0.055. So before decimal point it is 0. So no need to consider that. After decimal point there are 3 digits. So that you can write in the numerator. So 055 you can write a 55. We will not put a 0 before a number. That's why. Okay, 55 by. Now after decimal point there are 3 digits. So the denominator will be 1000. Okay, if there are 3 digits after decimal point in the denominator, 1000 will come. Okay, so 55 by 1000, you can reduce this. Both will go in 5. So you will get 11. 55 divided by 5, it is 11. 1000 divided by 5, it is 200. Okay, so the answer is 11 by 200. Okay, next E, 9.05. So here before decimal point 9, a whole number is given. 9 is given. Okay, if it is 0, no need to consider. But here 9 is coming. So write that 9 in the whole number part. Okay, this will be the whole number part of fraction 9. Now after decimal point 0.5 is coming. That is after decimal point 2 digits are there. So write that in the numerator. That is 0.5. We will not write 0.5. Just 5 only you need to write. Okay, we will write 5 only. So after decimal point, since 2 digits are coming, what will be the denominator? It will be 100. So 9 5 by 100. In mixed fraction you will get this. Okay, if 0 is coming before decimal point means no need to consider that. But if a number is coming means you need to write that as whole number of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction the whole number ആയിട്ട് ഈ നമ്പറിനെ നിങ്ങൾ എടുക്കണം ബിഫോർ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് വരുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ. So 9 5 by 100. Now this 5 by 100 you can reduce. It will go in 5. So 1 by 20. So 9 1 by 20 is the mixed fraction or fraction form of 9.05. Okay. Next 30.09. Here 30 is coming before decimal point, so that you can write 30 as whole number of mixed fraction. Okay. Now 09. After decimal point 09 is coming, so that you can write in the numerator of the fraction. That is 9. We will not write 09. 08, 07 like that. We will just write 7, 8, 9 etc. Okay. So 9 by what will come in the denominator? Here 2 digits are coming after decimal point. So in the denominator it will be 100. 39 by 100. Okay. This is the fraction form of 30.09. Next G, 100.225. So this 100 you can write as whole number of the fraction. Now after decimal point 225, 3 digits are coming. So this 225 you can write in the numerator 225 by what will come in the denominator. Here 3 digits are coming. So in the denominator it will be 1000. 100 225 by 1000. Now this will go in 25. Okay, 225 and 1000 will go in 25. 225 divided by 25 it is 9. And 1000 divided by 25 it is 40. So the fraction is 100. 9 by 40. Fifth question, give the place value of the underlined digit. So A, 0.67. So I told you in the last class, after decimal point it is tenths place, TENTHS. Okay, then after that hundredth place, then thousandth place, then 10,000th, then lakhs. It will go on like that. Okay, so 0.67, the underlined digit is 6. So 6 is in 10th place. So the place value it is 6 tenths. Okay. Next up B, 0.163. 1 is in 10th place. So the place value of 1 it is 1/10. Okay. Now 0.279. In that 7. 7 is in 100th place. Okay. So 7/100th. This is the place value of 7. Now G, 16.12. In that this one before decimal point it is coming. Okay. So before decimal point you can use the place value that we normally use. That is ones place, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, like that. Okay, so 1 is in tens place. So the place value of this one will be 1/10. Okay. The sixth question, write each decimal in the expanded form. In that A, 0.48. So 0.48, before decimal point if 0 is coming means no need to consider that. Okay, now after decimal point this is tenths place. Tenths means 1/10 it is. Okay, now this is hundredths place. That is 1/100. Okay, so while writing place value you will multiply the digit by its place value. Okay, so 4 into 1/10 plus 8 into 1/100. That is 4 into 1/10 it is 4/10 plus 8 into 1/100 it is 8/100. Now we can write this in decimal fraction. That is 4/10 it is 0.4. Okay, if denominator is 10 means after decimal point you need one digit. So here in the numerator only one digit, so that you can write after decimal point. So in the whole number part you can write a 0. 0.4 plus 8/100 it is 0.08 will come. Because in the numerator only one digit. So denominator you need a 2 digits since after decimal point you need a 2 digits since the denominator is 100. Denominator 100 ആകുമ്പോൾ decimal pointന് ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 2 digit ആണ് ആവശ്യം. In the numerator only 8. So അതിനെ 2 digit ആക്കാൻ 0 you can write before 8. Okay, so that 2 digits you can write after decimal point. So 0.08. So this is the decimal, expansion of this decimal 0.48. Okay. B, 0.714. So before decimal point 0 is coming, you no need to consider that. Now after decimal point 714. 7 is in tenths place. 1 is in hundredths place. 4 is in thousandths place. So 7 into 1/10 plus 1 into 1/100 plus 4 into 1/1000. Okay. Equal to 7 into 1/10 it is 7/10 plus 1 into 1/100 it is 1/100 plus 4 into 1/1000 it is 4/1000. Okay. Now 7/10 on converting to decimal fraction it is 0.7 plus 1/100 it is 0.01 plus 4/1000 it is 0.004. Okay, in the denominator if 10 comes means in after decimal point one digit should come. In the denominator if 100 comes means after decimal point 2 digits should come. Okay, in the denominator if 1000 means after decimal point 3 digit. So depending upon the number of zeros in the denominator you need to put 0 before the numerator. Okay. So this is the decimal expansion of 0.714. C, 1.75. So in this question before decimal point 1 is coming. So that you should write. 1 is in ones place. Okay, before decimal point you can use the normal place value that you have studied. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Okay, so 1 is in ones place, so 1 into 1 you can write 1 plus 7 is in tens place, so 7 into 1 by 10 plus 5 is in hundreds place, so 5 into 1 by 100. Okay, now 1 plus 7 into 1 by 10, it is 7 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100, it is 5 by 100. Now 1 plus 7 by 10, it is 0.7 plus 5 by 100, it is 0.05. So this is the decimal expansion of the decimal fraction 1.75. D 23.345. So here 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Now after decimal point, this 3, this is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousandth place. Okay, so write in place value, while doing expansion you can write 2 into 10, digit into its place value. So 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1, that is 3, plus 3 into tens means 1 by 10, plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. Okay, so 2 into 10 it is 20 plus 3 into 1 3 plus 3 into 1 by 10 it is 3 by 10. 3 into 1 3 by 10 plus 4 into 1 4 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000, it is 5 by 1000. Now 20 plus 3 it is, okay, 20 plus 3 plus 3 by 10 you can write 0.3 plus 4 by 100 it is 0.04 plus 5 by 1000 it is 0.005. Okay, so this is the decimal expansion of 23.345. So sixth question, E, F, G and H do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.